So today I'm going to introduce the silicon sealant production line. And first, so step one, we need a mixer. Okay, we need a mixer. Including two types of the 107 glue. Okay, high density, low density, and we combine these two 107 glue into a neutral. Okay, into a neutral 107 glue. This is the water we need. We don't need the high density of the 107, and we either don't need the low density. We need a neutral. Okay, and secondly, we have another storage tank which is filled up with the white oil. Okay, filled up with the white oil, and these two are the basic material for making the silicon sealant. Okay, and then we go to the step two. Step two, we have a very important step, a very important machine, which is a key solution inside of the production of the silicon sealant. It is 5,000 liters dispersion. Okay, dispersion machine. And then we need to add the combination complex of the neutral 107 and the white oil. Okay, just the oil, the white oil. White oil, calcium carbonate, okay, calcium carbonate, and the silicone oil. The silicone oil, and some other materials depending on your products. You can unit your silicon sealant such as like more agent or more cross-link, depending on your business. Okay, so these are the very basic materials of making the silicon sealant. We need to mix. All right, then we need to mix these materials into a complex, and then what we're going to do is drain off the water, which is extrude the water out of the dispersion machine, because drain off because we don't need the water, and we need to maintain the proportion of the water in a very low rate, in a very low percentage inside of the materials. And then we needed to heat up the dispersion machine up to from the room temperature up to 140 degrees by the frequency. Okay, by the frequency. The temperature will be raised up because of the paddle moving inside of the tank. There's a paddle moving inside of the tank and doing the rotation, so the temperature will be increased up by the frequency, and the process time of this step 2 dispersion machine is almost like 2 to 3 hours. Okay, 2 to 3 hours. This is the basic time. Then we need, now we go to the step 3. Okay, add a new page. Okay. Now we're going to step 3. Okay, we need a there's a storage tank. Okay, storage tank with a pipe underneath the vessel, and a cooling system, and the cooling system beside the tank. So the materials from the dispersion machine will get into this tank, and to cool and to reduce the temperature from 140 degrees, okay, down to the 100 degrees by the vacuum system. Okay, the pipe will deliver the material into the storage. Okay, through the cooling system, and do the circulation once again to reduce the temperature from the 140 degrees to the 100 degrees. Okay, Celsius degrees. And then we need another storage. This is another storage to place the complex into this tank, and to reduce the temperature by to the room temperature by the environment. So we don't need another cooling system for it. We don't need it. All right. So if you want to speed up your process, you can make another tank. Okay, make another tank to speed up the cooling process. So this process will take you like 3 minutes. Okay, this process will take you like 15 minutes. So totally you need like 45 minutes to reduce the temperature to the room temperature. Okay, and then we need a 4-step. Okay, the 4-step, which is a tank, another storage tank to prepare your additives, to prepare your materials like additive, and some colors. Okay, color material, additives, color material, and some agent which you would love to add into your silicone cylinder to make your product unique from the market. Alright, this is another storage tank only for the additives. Okay, only for the additives. Then we come to the 5th step. We have another dispersion machine. Another dispersion machine with a capacity of the 1,000 liters. 1,000 liters of dispersion machine, which is less capacity compared to the 5,000 liters. The purpose that we add another one dispersion machine is going to make the chemical reaction for the materials, and with additives we combine this together and to get a final get a final form of the silicon sealant. So that's why we added another dispersion machine with capacity with 1,000 liters, and we needed to mix these materials together. Then we needed to extrude the water out of the tank, and we have a vacuum system and a cooling system at the end of the line, which is a unseen process using in the whole production line, but it is installed beside at the end of the production line. Okay, cooling and vacuum. So then we go to the at a new page. Then we go to the sixth step, which is what we call is discharge machine. Okay, this is a discharge machine with a valve underneath the tank to discharge all the material into the bottle. So we have several capacity of the bottle. We have 240 millimeters, okay, and we have the 320 millimeters, okay. We have these two types of the bottle for you to choose. So all the material will be fed into the bottle by the discharge valve. Now we're back to the final step, which is a packaging line. So we have a packaging line with the arm. Okay. This is the arm, a robot arm. Okay. And firstly we needed to inject the materials into the bottle. Then we need a packaging lines to pack your silicon sealant in bags. Okay, in bags, plastic bags, or in the carton, or in the box or carton. It's up to you. But I would love you suggest to go both of these depending on your business type. And we have a semi-auto packaging line and a full auto packaging line, depending on your business type. The cost of the full automatic line, which is more expensive than the semi-auto packaging line, obviously it will reduce your time. It will reduce your time and raise your profit. Okay, that will be all the demonstration for the silicon sealant. So if you have any question, you can back to us, okay? And bye bye.